channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install LED ring light. So that's all I received in the pack. I don't have any instructions on how to do it. However, we have the stick. Yeah, this is the stick. It goes up, you see, you have to twist, so it's gonna be like steel. You have to twist, yeah, and now it's not going, it's not moving, it's not going down. So to go back, you have again to twist. Okay, now it's back to normal. Okay, this part is for like standing pictures or videos, and this is for table. You put it on the table. So this light is for different of pictures, depends on what you need. Well, I think it's very handy, that's why I purchased it. Well, I'm not gonna keep you long, so let's start. First, I insert this part of the ring. It's very tricky. You have to be careful you don't smash the light. Okay, I go to the left, it's not working properly. Okay, yeah, this is ready to go. Yeah, this part is moving, it's very flexible. It's like this, so it has to go on this side. So now we have to install this part. You see, it's moving, so we need to put this key inside. It's a hole here, yeah, so we have to put it in. Okay, until it's like still, or the position you want. Anyways, if you want to release the key, make it loose, you see, you can make the light like this. Yeah, so anyway, now I want it straight because we need to put the phone holder first. Yeah, okay, perfect. We have this, we have to put this stick here for the phone holder, yeah. And now you see, take the part with the like round. So this stick is moving. Whoa. The stick is moving, is for the phone holder, right? We have to put this piece in here, press until, oh, first of all, by the way, put the ring first. So the ring, after it makes this noise, just lock it. Oh, so it's very, yeah, perfect. Now this is ready for your phone, you see? I don't have a phone right now, but to show you, but I'm gonna present you the light. Now everything is ready, yeah? We have the remote, which you can control the light. This is, okay, let's start. I think this is on, yeah. So you see, switch. So it has different lights, 3 lights. This one, yeah, and it has a plus volume for, I think, for the intensity. And this one, you see, it's getting, if you want bigger light, it's like that. You press on plus, and it has switch on, off, minus, switch the colors, and plus the intensity. All you need is that.